I'm going to show you the basics to start with Tinkercad. We're going to start with a basic shape. Just choose any shape from here. This is one. Just put the cube here in the middle. And I'm going to show, first of all, we're going to how to navigate and how to move through this window. So you have basically three options. The first option is zoom in and zoom out with the wheel. You zoom in and zoom out, just moving the wheel. You get far and close. Okay, the second option is you press the wheel and you move the mouse. So you move everything, all the plane, you move all the range. So I'm pressing the wheel and just moving the mouse. This is the second option. The third option is you press the right button of the mouse, and then with the right button just you can rotate, you can move everything, you can change the view. Keep pressing the right button of the mouse this way so you can move everything. Also, you have another option that's here, that you have a cube here, and with this cube, you move in the cube, you also change the shape. It's similar to the previous one. It's similar to the one that when you press the right button, you move this. So with these 3-4 options, you can change the view and you can see your object for different points of view. After that, we have, for example, this shape. So we are going to do the basic option. So you have the shape. You see that this is small squares with the measures. So you can add measures, but in this basic with the measures, you are going to just change the size. So you just press and drag, and you change the size. You can move in this, or in this. You can press another one. Just move here. Because just move this way. Also, you want to move, for example, this way. You can move. You can click this one. For example, we have to get an easy table. So we have moved from the sides here this way, and just you can move and change this way. Okay. Now, if you see this on the floor, for example, we want to create a table. We have to move up. So you have this one and this one. You just pull up, and it changes. You want exactly one number. You just type the number 20. Type, enter, and it changes automatically. The same with the measures. You can change any measure. You go in the size of this one. You want, instead of 67, you want another number than 70, exact number. You change, and it changes. So everything can be changed by hand, or just pull it and drag. So also, this is the basics, and you have these arrows. So this one is to move this way. This one is to move this way. See the angle? Even you can change the angle, say 90, for example, and it's 90 degrees. 180, 180. So you can change the same with a number or with the mouse. And the last one will be this one, so you can change this one, and you see the angle in here. You see the angle here, maybe 90, and straight, that's 90. So this is the first step. So now, for example, imagine we want to make a hole in the middle. So for example, you can take any shape, this one, this is solid, and this is a hole. But it doesn't matter because you can change one to another one. Just in here, you can change, and it can be a hole, and this you want can be solid. And solid, you can change the color and the color, so it doesn't matter. You can change, pick up any of them. I'm going to delete this one. I just took a hole. I'm going to move the hole in the middle. For example, imagine I'm going to put the hole here. I'm going to move up, and imagine the hole is crossing the other shape. So you see, the hole is crossing the other shape. We want to make a hole in the middle. So now we select both pieces. Just with the square, you select both pieces. Both are selected. And when they are selected, just press this button, is group. You group them. When you group them, they are together. And then the hole, you make the hole exactly in this place. If you want to undo, just select, undo, and the shapes, when you ungroup, the shapes are again like before. This is a hole, but you don't. have a hole anymore. So you can put this one, and you can just Control C, Control V, just duplicate. You can make, for example, two holes, and then you can select both of them, and you group. And when you group, you have two holes here. So this is the way that the basics work. So you can combine solid and holes, and you can create anything. These are the basic shapes. Also, you have other shapes, but with the basics, you can create almost everything. Just with your imagination and just combining shapes and holes. That's everything. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you very much. Bye bye.